Here, when you see the combination of E-A in the words, A will be silent. I will write some words on the boards. Look at the board. First word is logically. What we should say? Logically. Because A is silent. I told you that the words which ends with I-C-A-L-L-Y. If the word is ending with that, then A will be silent. So it's not logically. What it is?
Logically.
Logically. What it is? Logically. And what is this word now you read? Physically, not physically. Okay. Next word is critically, not critically. Okay, we should not. If you are pronouncing like that, it's wrong, right? Next here, I told you that in the combination of EA. If you see the combination of EA in any word, A will be silent. See how to read B-R-E-A-D?
Bread.
It's bread. What it is? Bread. There we are not pronouncing A sound. A is silent. Next, head, death. Can you give some more examples? With the combination EA? Feather, breath, okay, dead, not that. Okay, like this. Next, children, did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
When is A silent? Dikshita, stand up.
When in the end there is I-C-A-L-L-Y, then A is silent.
Very good. One more rule you tell me, Amma Manogna.
When there are A is silent.
Okay. When you see the combination of EA, then A is silent. Right, good. Next we are going to learn B rule. Okay. When B is silent. B is silent before
M and 3.
No, before T and after M. If you see the letter B after M and before T, then you should not pronounce it like this. All of you look at the board here. Here B is after M. B is after M. Here also B is after M. So what is the rule? B is silent when it is after M. Okay. And here next I told you B is silent before T. Before T. See if you observe here, debt, doubt, subtle. B comes before T there. So B is silent in that kind of words. Comb, thumb, lamb, climb. We should not say climb, thumb. We should not say. Why? B is coming after M. And here debt. B is coming before T. That is only the rule. If you observe the words, you can understand the rule also. Here debt, doubt, subtle. It's not subtle, right? Now we are going to learn about C. What is your doubt, Manogna? You asked me something.
Subtitle.
Subtitle. It's not subtitle you are saying, right? Yes, you are correct. Good question, beta. Very good. Now I will tell you. Subtitle. Subtitle is a compound word. Do you know about the compound words? Two different words. The two different words.
Like rain.
We write together, then it makes a new word. So here sub and title makes what? Subtitle. So when we write the compound words, we should not we don't be silent. There B is not silent in that. Okay, subtitle. Why we are saying sub? Why you are not saying subtitle? Because that word is formation. That word formation is with compound words, right? So that B is not silent in this word. Very good question, Manogna. Okay, beta. C is silent if it comes after the letter S. C is silent after S. Next, C will be silent before the letter K and Q. If I give the examples, then you will be clear with that. Children, I wrote some words where C will be silent. What I told, what is the rule, children? C is silent after the S. So here, signs. C comes after the S. And in scent also C comes after the S. Next, seen, descend, descending order, ascending order we will say. There C will be silent because it is coming after S. Next, muzzle, in muzzle also C silent as it is coming after S. Next, C will be silent if it is before K or before Q. See here, black, duck, mock, luck, clock, frock. Okay, in all these words, C is coming before the letter K. So there C will be silent. Next, before Q also C will be silent. So in these words, acknowledge, acquit and acquiesce. In these words, C is coming before the letter Q. So it will be silent. Now tell me the C rule. When is C silent?
After S, before K and Q.
Very good. Now we are going to learn when D is silent. D is silent before the letter G. Before the letter G. If D comes before the G, then we have to pronounce or not pronounce D? We should not pronounce. It will be silent. Look at the board. I wrote some words. First only look at these words. Don't look at that words. That has something different. I will tell you. See, here D came before G and here also. In all these words, D is coming before the letter G. So, badge or badge?
Badge.
Badge. D we should not pronounce. Next, hedge, knowledge, lodge. Right? Next here, also D silent. But that will not follow this rule. These are the exceptions. Exemptions. Okay? Here we are pronouncing Wednesday. Handsome we should not say. Handsome. D is silent. Remember, these you have to by heart. These kind of words you have to by heart. Next, sandwich. It's not sandwich. Okay? Sandwich. Right. When is D silent, children?
Before G.
If D comes before the letter G, then D will be the silent. Next we are going to learn when E is silent. E will be silent when it comes end of a word. E will be silent when it comes at the end of words. For example, look at the words hate. In hate, where is E beta? End of the word. And care. There also E is in the end. Next, like, change, please, vegetable. What is this word? How should we pronounce this?
Vegetable.
Vegetable. There we should not pronounce vegetable or vegetable. Vegetable. Okay. E here also will be silent. Right. Can you give any examples?
Teacher, date.
Very good. Shabash. Date. Just. Netra. Vehicle. Not vehicles. Okay. Next. Musaddiq, you are saying something?
Date.
Very good.
Teacher, bake.
Bake. Very good. So, when E comes in the end of a word, then there E will be silent automatically. What beta?
Cake.
Cake. Very good. Okay. E rule is very easy, no, to remember. So not supporting. Okay. G is silent when it comes before the letter N. Okay. N mundu vaste kuda. Okay. So here I wrote some examples. If you see the examples, you will come to know automatically. See, sign, design, foreign, assign. Okay, we are not saying assign or sign, design. We are not saying. Okay, how we should pronounce? G should be silent as if it comes before the letter N. Okay, sign, design, foreign, assign, like this. Children, now we are going to learn about GH. G and H both will be silent when it comes before after a vowel. When it comes after a vowel. See the examples. H-I-G-H-T. GH comes after I vowel, right? Any vowel, if it comes, GH comes before any vowel, GH both will be silent. Light, thought. See here. GH comes after U vowel, right? Next, fight, wait, through. Here also GH comes before the after vowel, right? What is the rule when is GH silent, beta? When is GH silent, beta? When it comes after any vowel, right? I, A, E, O, U, okay? After that, if we see GH, then both letters will be silent. Now, we are going to learn about H. When is H silent? H is silent after C or after W. H will be silent if it comes after the letter C and W. Okay, if you see the examples, you can understand. Children, look at the board. Here I wrote character. In character, H is silent. Why? It's coming after? It's coming after C. In Chrome also, H is coming after C. Mechanic, eco. Okay, there are many words. Here I told you that H will be silent after W. So where, what, where, why, when, what. In these words also H will be silent. Why? Because it is coming after W. Children, now it's going to be lunch break, right? So we have to stop till here. Just once we revise whatever we have learned. Okay, A is silent. When is A silent, beta? If it comes, the words which ends in ICALLY, in that kind of words A will be silent, and in the combination of E and A, EA. Okay, just you listen. Okay, don't repeat. Next, B will be silent if it comes after the letter M and before the letter T. If it comes after the letter M, like comb, thumb. Okay. Next, if it comes before the letter T also, debt, doubt, like this. Next, C is silent after the letter S and before the letter K and Q. Lock, duck. Next. Muzzle, signs, descending or ascending, mark, very good. Acquiesce. Okay, in all these words, C will be silent according to the rule. Next, D is silent before the letter G, like edge, badge, knowledge. Okay, badge, large, like this. Next, E will be silent when it comes at the end of a word. Care, hate, like, many words are there like that. Next, G will be silent when it comes before the letter N. Sign, a sign, like this. Next, GH, both will be silent if it comes after any vowel. GH, both letters will be silent if it comes after any vowel. Okay, like high, height, light, thought, many words. Next, we have learned about H. H is silent after the letter C and after the letter W. Okay, like the words
Character.
very good. Character, ache, anchor. Okay, like this. Who, sorry, not who. What, where, why, like this. Anchor, very good. Well. When, yes, when. Okay, like this. Till here only we have learned, children. Till H we have learned today. Next, about next letters we will learn in our next class. Okay, children. So once you have to revise. I have not given notes. I will give you.